Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and home improvement specialists. Welcome back to Elite Service Masters, where we share tips, tricks, and insights for keeping your home in tip-top shape. Today, we're discussing an often overlooked but incredibly important topic: the benefits of hiring a professional handyman. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. First, let's talk about expertise. Sure, DIY projects can be fun and rewarding, but let's face it, not all of us are Bob Vila or Tim the Toolman Taylor. When you hire a professional handyman, you're getting someone with years of experience and training. They know the ins and outs of a wide range of repairs and can tackle even the trickiest problems with ease. Imagine trying to fix a leaky faucet yourself. You might spend hours watching tutorial videos, make multiple trips to the hardware store, and still end up with a dripping mess. A pro handyman, on the other hand, will have that faucet fixed in no time, saving you stress, time, and potentially a lot of water damage. Next, let's discuss cost-effectiveness. This might sound counterintuitive at first. How can hiring someone be cheaper than doing it yourself? Well, consider this: mistakes are costly. Misdiagnosing a problem, using the wrong tools, or simply not knowing the proper technique can lead to more extensive, more expensive repairs down the line. A professional handyman can often get discounts on materials and tools and comes equipped with all the necessary gear. And don't forget, time is money. The time you spend trying to fix something could be better spent on your job, hobbies, or spending time with your family. In the long run, hiring a handyman can actually save you money. Speaking of time, let's explore it further. Time is one of our most precious resources, and let's be honest, we all wish we had more of it. When you hire a professional handyman, you free up your schedule for the things that truly matter. Instead of spending your weekends knee-deep in home repairs, you could enjoy hiking, reading a book, or having a BBQ with friends. Handymen work efficiently and get the job done right the first time, meaning you can focus on what you love rather than being stuck in a never-ending cycle of home maintenance. Safety is another huge factor. Home repairs can be dangerous, especially if you need to familiarize yourself with the necessary precautions. From electrical work to roofing, there are plenty of opportunities for injury. Professional handymen are trained to handle these risks and know how to keep themselves and your home safe. They have the right equipment and learn the proper safety protocols to follow. So, instead of risking a trip to the ER, please leave it to the pros who know how to handle the hazards. Quality workmanship is another significant benefit of hiring a professional handyman. They take pride in their work and aim to deliver the best results possible. Their reputation depends on it. This means you get a higher work standard than what you might achieve on your own. From seamless drywall repairs to perfectly aligned shelves, a pro handyman ensures that every detail is handled with care. This improves your home's aesthetic appeal, functionality, and longevity. Let's talk about specialized skills. A professional handyman brings a diverse skill set to the table. They've covered you, whether it's plumbing, carpentry, painting, or electrical work. This is especially useful if you have multiple projects that need attention. Instead of hiring different contractors for each task, you can rely on one skilled handyman. This not only simplifies the process, but ensures consistent quality across all projects. One of the most underrated benefits of hiring a professional handyman is peace of mind. Knowing that your home is in good hands allows you to relax and enjoy your space. You won't have to worry about whether the job was done right or if something will go wrong later. A reputable handyman will also provide warranties or guarantees for their work, giving you added assurance that any issues will be addressed promptly and professionally. Building a long-term relationship with a professional handyman can be incredibly beneficial. Once you find someone you trust, they become familiar with your home and its unique quirks. This can make future repairs and maintenance more efficient and tailored to your needs. Plus, having a go-to handyman means you won't have to spend time searching for a new professional whenever something needs fixing. It's like having a reliable friend who is always there to help. Hiring a professional handyperson also supports local businesses. Many handypersons are small business owners who rely on community support. By hiring locally, you're contributing to the local economy and helping these skilled workers continue doing what they love. Lastly, let's talk about avoiding DIY disasters. We've all heard the horror stories: the bookshelf that came crashing down in the middle of the night, the paint job that looked like a toddler's art project, or the toilet that turned into a geyser. DIY can be fun, but they can go really wrong when things go wrong. A professional handyman has seen it all and knows how to avoid common pitfalls. Their expertise means your projects are more likely to be completed successfully and with fewer headaches. And there you have it, The top benefits of hiring a professional handyman. From saving time and money to ensuring safety and quality, the advantages are clear. So next time you have a home repair or improvement project, consider calling your local handyman. Thanks for watching Elite Service Masters. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy home improvement.